Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix TP-Link Deco flashing red. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if you notice that your TP-Link Deco here is flashing red, it means there are a few problems that you need to address. But before we actually proceed with the simple step later on, also make sure to basically check the connections on your TP-Link Deco first. For example, if you have a wired Deco here, you might want to check the wires itself if it's still working. So maybe try it or try using it on your laptop or in other devices and see if the wire is working. Now, by the way, also if you have a wireless one, you might want to check the actual connection. Now, if there are going to be some blockages, like for example, you have your Deco device here on a different room, then in this case, you want to make sure that they are receiving a proper signal. Now, also you might want to check your actual interconnection, because sometimes having poor connection will cause this issue itself, which in this case, typically red flashing red light on your device actually means that there are going to be some internet problems. But then again, if none of those actually work, there is one simple thing that we could do here to probably solve this issue. Now, in this case, one of the users here for the TP-Link Deco here actually has the same problem. So what they did is they just use the actual app and just run or click on the optimize network option. Now, in this case, this actually stopped or solved the issue itself for one user. But the other user here, what they did is they actually went near the Deco that is having the same problem, and they just again run the option that says optimize network on the app itself. Now, once they run this actually solves the issue itself. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.